Today we will see the latches and flip flops. So these latches and flip flops are the bistable devices. Both are to be the bistable devices. These are the bistable devices. And second one, these latches and flip flops can be designed either by using the NAND gates or by using the NOR gates. So this can be designed either by using NAND gates or by using NOR gates. Designed by using NAND gates or NOR gates. The flip flop will produce the output depending on the input and also the clock pulse, whereas latches can produce the output independent of the clock pulse. That means a clock is to apply to the flip flop, no clock pulse is to apply to the latch. Clock is applied to flip flop, no clock is applied to latch to change its output. Once again repeat. Flip flop can produce output depending on the input with the application of the clock pulse, whereas latches can produce output or changes its output depending on the inputs only, no clock pulse is to be applied. So no clock is applied to the latch, but enable signal is to be applied to the latch. So enable signal is to be applied. Enable signal is applied to latch to change its output. If the enable signal is active, then the latch output will be produced. If the enable signal is inactive, no output is to be produced even if the inputs are applied to the latches. So these are the some of the differences between the latches and flip flops. Okay. Thank you all. Subscribe my channel and I can give more and more videos which are to be useful for the students.